Basics of HPLC column installation.
Safety first. Wear gloves, safety glasses, and read the Adobe Scientific's column care and installation before starting the work. Set flow to 0.1 ml per minute for 2.1 to 4.6 mm ID and make sure that the extra tubing is out to avoid voids and proper column installation. After the mobile phases out from the column outlet, stop flow and wipe outlet of the column to remove any particulates before connecting to the detector. Again, the tubing is out and plug the column. Install fittings into outlet end and run minimum 10 column volumes at flow rate 0.2 ml per minute while monitoring the back pressure. Now this is alpha 154.6. The approximate column volume for this particular column is 2.5 ml. A steady pressure should indicate a constant flow, while pressure fluctuations will indicate air in the system. Wide fluctuations in pressure may shock and damage the column, so it is important to monitor the pressure as well as signal from the detector. When both are steady, the column is ready for use.